Countax has introduced a breakthrough in ride-on mower design. The X Series is a mower with an out-front mulching cutter deck for fast, collection-free mowing. With a choice of front-wheel and four-wheel drive, the X Series offers unique performance in all conditions. Steering is virtually zero turn, letting you work around trees and other obstacles for the tightest cut. Total manoeuvrability in the X Series ride-on is coupled with the ability to cut right up to and under bushes. You have a clear view of the work ahead and total control with hydrostatic transmission. The X Series is ultra-stable and fully balanced. Because the weight is on the driven wheels at all times, you can safely work on slopes, ascend and descend banks, working quickly and easily. For the most demanding areas, you can choose one of the four-wheel drive models, featuring dynamic traction control. Ultimate slope performance combines with no scuffing of the grass. The system avoids scuffing by changing the speeds of each front wheel on the turn. One of the key benefits of the X Series is the speed at which you can work. High-speed mowing lets you cover large areas, with the mulching deck cutting the grass into tiny particles and releasing it back into the lawn. Choose a high grass mulching deck and you can cut the tallest grass and weeds. As you work, the operating management system helps you set the optimum cutting speed. On the four-wheel drive, there is a built-in electronic slope alert to warn you before you reach an incline too great for safe working. You can choose the power you want, with engine sizes ranging from 15 and 16 to 20 and 24 horsepower. There is the option of comfort steering for light and easy turning. You can set the deck height electrically, as well as raising it to the wash position for cleaning. Test drive the X Series in your own garden and see what makes this out-front ride-on mower unique. Contact your dealer or call Countax and we'll make the arrangements for you.